One of the greatest struggles in life is understanding the true value of hard work. We often look at other situations and think, why do they have less or more than me? But what we fail to realize is that every person's journey is unique, and shortcuts or easy paths often hide hidden costs. Think about it. If a tree stopped growing because it wanted the sunlight of another tree, it would never bear its own fruit, no matter how strong it was. Today, with so much focus on instant rewards and comfort, many people forget the dignity and satisfaction that comes from their own effort. We see others being given opportunities or money or luxury, and immediately start thinking that our hard work is not enough. In that moment, we forget the strength and joy that come from our own persistence. That is why today's story is for anyone who has ever thought, I wish life were easier. Listen carefully, because each part of this story has the power to change the way you see effort and success. There was once a powerful king who lived in a magnificent palace. One day, he noticed an old woman living in a small, simple hut right in front of his palace. The hut looked shabby, and he thought it spoiled the grandeur of his palace. The king decided to offer her money and even a better home elsewhere, thinking that she would gladly accept and leave. But the old woman refused. She valued her work and her simple life, and no amount of money could make her abandon her routine. The king's clever minister observed this and decided to investigate. He watched her throughout the day and noticed how she lived, rising early, fetching water, tending to her chores, and working diligently around her home. Everything she did was done with care and responsibility. The minister approached her and said, "Grandmother, I see how hard you work every day. You deserve someone to take care of your chores so you can rest." Reluctantly, she accepted his help. But slowly, without her daily effort and routine, the old woman became weak and ill. Her health declined because the work that once gave her purpose, energy, and fulfillment was gone. Eventually, her hut fell into disrepair, and the life she had built through her own hands disappeared. The minister realized the truth. Happiness, dignity, and strength are not in wealth or shortcuts. They are in effort, routine, and the work we do with our own hands. Without effort, even comfort can become a curse. True strength and happiness come from your own work, persistence, and routine. Money, comfort, or shortcuts can never replace the fulfillment that comes from giving your best every day. Effort gives life meaning. Without it, even abundance can destroy joy. If this story taught you the value of hard work and purpose, share it with someone who needs this reminder. Your effort, your journey, your life, cherish it, and walk it your way.